For those who want to download the worksheet in these next examples, go to the frugalcomputerguy.com, video tutorials, and then Office spreadsheet. And down at the bottom of that page, I will have the link to download those ODS spreadsheets. The first thing we want to do is to reformat the phone number and the zip code. I'm in Excel just to show how they do it there. Then we're going to do that in LibreOffice. So I'm going to take this whole column and right click, format cells, and here they've got something called special and phone number. So we click that and that's reformatted. Then we go over to the zip code and we click format cells, special, and zip code. And it puts the 0 in front of that 4 there. So that's how we do it in Excel. Now when we're in LibreOffice or OpenOffice, it's done a little bit differently. I highlight the column or just the cells if I just wanted to do some cells, but I want to do this whole column, and I say format. Now I've got to come down to user defined, and I want to define one. To do that, I click on the right parent and then the number sign saying I want to have numbers there, and then 3-1234, and for the US phone number, and I will give this a little name and I'll call this US phone number, and there it has it just like Excel had it. And then for the zip code, I highlight this whole column and format cells. And for this one, I'm just going to say lead in zeros. Instead of 1, I want to have 5. And I'm going to give this a name and call this US zip. And basically that just makes this up to 5 zeros. If we had 1 0, it'll show up as all 5. See, all 5 zeros. So that's how we do the zip code, and let me undo that to keep those numbers. In our very first video, I was showing how to use those arrow keys with Control, arrow, and it jumps all the way down to get around the page. Now when we have when we have information in the cells, as in our name list, if I hold down Control, arrow down, it takes me to the end of the data. And then if I hit it again, it takes me to the bottom. So it jumps to the end of that group. And now I've got some headers here, and I've sorted things. I've not sorted things, but I want to sort them on last name. So I'm going to click on any of these names in last name. I'm just going to hit the quick sort ascending, and it's going to sort that whole group. And let me do that again so we can see the highlighted group. It's showing us what it sorted is what is highlighted. And it did the whole row across, not just the name. That would do us no good. So it did the whole name across. Now this works pretty well as long as there's not a blank line. Let me insert a line, or insert a row. And if we do these on first name, when I sort ascending, it only did up to the blank line. So we need to remove this, delete. And now if I do these by first name, A to Z, it sorted them all A to Z. Now if it's missing a name, like George, we don't have George in there. If I resort this, it was still able to sort it. It just made this a blank, and it resorted with it going first as if it were blanks. And I'm just going to back it up to put George back in, and you can sort again on first name. We can see that these are sorted.